there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to unlock the future of AI creativity? OpenAI has unleashed a game changer that's got everyone buzzing. DALL-E 3, now seamlessly integrated with ChatGPT. But here's the kicker. Only a select few have their hands on this revolutionary feature. Fear not, because today, I'm about to spill the beans on how you can get access to it in just 2 simple steps. Brace yourself, because DALL-E 3 is about to redefine the way we turn words into mesmerizing visuals, and it's poised to give even the mighty MIDJOURNEY a run for its money. Stick around till the end of this video, and I'll even show you how to turn your designs into a cash-flowing goldmine by selling printed-on-demand t-shirts that rake in thousands of dollars a month. Get ready to unleash your inner AI artist. This is going to be epic. Step 1. Join Discord. OpenAI. Remember to declare full information and verify your account. I will put these links in the description of the video. Step 2. Fill in the registration form. I will send this registration form link in the description of the video. Remember to fill in the correct email of the ChatGPT account and Discord information. After filling in the information, you only need to wait a few hours to access this new feature. Note that if too many people register, you may have to wait up to 1 day. Step 3. Use DALL-E 3 to generate thousands of dollars in profits. Although I have used MIDJOURNEY for a long time, I will first ask ChatGPT to learn about the prompt structure of DALL-E 3. To start, I will ask ChatGPT to help me write 10 popular quotes for my dad, who loves fishing, to print on a t-shirt. Next, I will ask DALL-E 3 to help me design. The first time, because the keyword vector design was not added, DALL-E 3 did not seem to understand what I meant when I tried again and added the vector design keyword. DALL-E 3 returned perfect results. Note: there is a small note that some designs do not seem to have the correct spelling. Please choose the design that you like best. You can copy the prompts of that design and recreate 4 new designs. If you are a print-on-demand seller, here are 3 steps for you to have a perfect design and mock-up to sell on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, TikTok Shop. Step 1. Remove background for your design to remove the background for the design. I use the tool clipdrop.co. I will put the link in the description of the video. Step 2. Create high-quality PNG files. To create high-quality design files, I will use the website vectorizer.ai. Please follow the instructions in the video. Step 4. Put design into mockup. If you are proficient in Photoshop, I suggest you use Photoshop. In this case, I will guide you to use a website that has thousands of mockups and is very easy to use. Please visit the website placeit.net and follow the instructions. You can also create promotional videos and upload them to short video platforms to sell. With this method, we are currently selling 20-30 t-shirts per day on TikTok Shop and Etsy. You can also upload these designs to Amazon Merch, where Amazon will print, design, and package them for your customers. You will receive a commission every time there is a new order. If you're interested in this print-on-demand t-shirt selling method, please leave a comment so we know. If there are enough requests, we will create a detailed instructional video. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to help us stay motivated to create more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment. We're happy to respond. Thank you for watching the entire video.